Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Summer's in full swing and we are living for our outdoor spaces. So today I'm going to show you how to make a tablecloth that is waterproof so you can leave it outside. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are oilcloth fabric, thread and a needle, scissors, a measuring tape or ruler, pins or clips, a sewing gauge, and 2 pens. Measure the width, length, and depth of your table and write it down. The hang of this tablecloth will be the same length all the way around, so it's going to be determined by the width of the oilcloth that we are using. We are using a 4th of July print that is 47.5 inches wide. To find the hang, measure your table's width. Ours was 30 inches. Then subtract the width of the table from the width of the fabric, then divide that number by 2. This will be the hang of your tablecloth. Ours was 8.75 inches. Now you will need to determine the length of the tablecloth. Multiply the hang by 2 and add that to the length of your table. This will be the dimensions of your tablecloth. Ours will be 47.5 inches wide by 89.5 inches long. Cut your oilcloth to the right length. Create your corners by placing the oilcloth right side down on the table. Make sure that the hang is the appropriate length on all sides. Pinch the fabric on the corners with the right sides facing and pin it together so it creates a triangle shape over the corner and the edges match up. Then, with the needle and thread, sew the pieces together along the inner edge of the triangle. Leave a couple inches unsewn at the bottom. You can also use a sewing machine for this step. Cut away the excess fabric. Do this to all 4 corners. If you want, you can use an iron and a press cloth to open these seams, which will give the final product a more refined look. Find the perimeter of your table by multiplying the length and width by 2 and adding them together. The radius of your scallop should be able to be divided evenly into the perimeter. For example, the perimeter of my table is 274 inches, so my scallops are going to have a 2-inch radius. Create a baseline by marking the distance of your radius away from the edge all the way around the tablecloth on the wrong side of the fabric. You will not want to cut above this line. Also, mark in the center of where each scallop will be. The first mark should start the distance of the radius away from the corner, which for me was 2 inches. I will be placing a tick mark every 4 inches. Set your sewing gauge to the diameter of your scallops and start creating them by putting 1 pen through the hole on the top and tracing around with the other. Do this all the way around the tablecloth at the marks in the middle of the scallops. Finally, cut around the scalloped edges following the lines that you just made. Remember to never cut above the baseline. Flip the tablecloth right side out and poke out the corners. Put the tablecloth on your table.
And now your tablecloth is complete. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.